What's going on, guys? Welcome back to a new video. Today we're going to be learning about headings in HTML. Now before I do continue, if you are not subscribed, please subscribe. It does help out the channel and me a lot. I do appreciate your support, and if you have any questions, make sure to leave them in the comments down below. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the headings. So headings in HTML are similar to headings in other types of media. For example, in newspapers, large headings are typically used to capture readers' attention. Other times, headings are used to describe content like a title of a movie or an educational article. HTML follows a similar pattern. In HTML, there are 6 different headings or heading elements. Headings can be used for a variety of purposes like titling sections, articles, or other forms of content. The following is the list of heading elements available in HTML. They are ordered from largest to smallest. So we have the H1, and we've already seen the H1 in action. Then the H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. So as you get smaller, you increase the number basically. Now, the following example code uses a headline intended to capture readers' attention. It uses the largest heading available, the main heading element. So we just use H1 to make it large. Now that you know how to structure HTML elements, we'll spend the rest of the lesson building an informational website using some of the most common HTML elements. We've put some elements in to get you started, but you'll write the rest of the page on your own. Now below the H3 heading that says features, add an H2 heading that says habitat. So the H2 habitat, and we'll do another H2. Oops, perfect. Okay, below the habitat heading, add a H3 that says countries with large brown bear populations. Okay, so we have to add an H3. Okay. Now on the next line, add one more H3 heading that says countries with the small brown bear populations. Okay. What we'll do is just copy, actually no. For the sake of the video, let's go ahead and just do it manually, just so we get the practice in. H3 slash H3. Alright, now finally on the next line, add an H2 heading that says media. So right here, we'll do H2, says media, and we're done. Yep, there we go. That's an informational. Okay, and that's gonna end it right here. See you guys in the next one.